Welcome to the mix, and on the mix is Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is dissecting a video that was done by Erica. Now, in this video, it's a lot of stuff. Erica allegedly said that she was set up by Miss D, and so, you know, there's Nicolette's name and other persons. So you just have to go ahead and catch the video and see what's going on here. And listen as Dwayne dissects this video as he normally does.
Me chatting out long enough. Me wanting to hear or potty go down in it, potty get out, potty get bad. Potty get bad. Me say potty custom. Listen, if you're a Christian, please excuse the bad behavior, alright? But potty a bad girl and no girl or boy can't. Potty is uncontrollable. You know what I mean? Potty is uncontrollable. Alright? So don't come for me, no come for me. No say what? No come for me. So I think I'm ready. I'm not gonna hear or potty go on bad. I am. I think I am. I'm ready right now. Are you ready? Where am I good about? Sharon, Corinne, on ready? Kim Mercedes, you ready, girl? You ready, girl? On ready? Call the plank people. Hold on. 1 second. I forgot to do something. I forgot to share it on my other page. How on earth could I forget to share it on my other page? I don't know how, and I don't know why. I don't know how, and I don't know why. Lord of mercy. That is my caption. Lord. That's where I go. Lord of mercy. Run, come here. I don't know why this dirty angry face want to come my video can be angry. What was he angry at Porty when was he angry at Porty when Porty was saying all of these things? Why wasn't he angry at Porty? Why you want to come on my page? Come put out your angry bad face. Angry bad, go and sit somewhere. Go and sit somewhere, angry face. Over here is not for you. Perfect, Kimberly. Perfect. I'm ready too. Bear with me 1 second. Guys, like up the video. Like it up. Thank you for your continued support. And I'm now ready to go into the conversation accordingly. We're ready now. Let me go and grab my evidence. So nobody can say Dwayne say, for what Dwayne say, a Porty say. And people, before anyone says A, B, or C, I'm going to give you guys the entire conversation beginning to end because I have it in recorded. I'm going to give it to Ono. Don't come for me. Our reporter said 99 set her up and not me. Allegedly. Let's say allegedly. I think we're ready now.
Well, let me have my credits. Text me and send me somebody who me not think out of the blue. Natalie can make calling for me again. Dana no address this morning.
Let's start it here.
All the thing.
Start it here.
Somebody who me not think out of the blue. Natalie can make calling for me again. Dana no address this morning. Dana go tell me say, text me and send me and Natalie to talk on phone while Natalie in a public. On call, blood clot, Dana for me and I made a trip, I think a funeral for them. I said she set me up for what?
On the ear. And I'm using that port to say it. I put to say it, not me. I never said Jack. Call 99 because I wanted to hear 99. I know for a fact, say you watch me on fake page. You watch me you have to watch me per fake page so you can get the juices that happens in social media. So sit there, don't type, just listen here, girl, just listen. What Porty said, and I mean it. Porty said, oh, all right.
You know this is where Mark was said. You know this is where Ashanti was said. But this planker, who takes it for me? This planker, who takes it for me from the money coming until now? Nakale takes me set for me. I said, Dana set me up.
We hear Erica saying that, she was set up. So listen to the rest to find out exactly how this was done, or, to see what happened and with whom this happened. So keep listening.
Porty said, not me.
So, this thing need to deal with. Hey, me one can carry burden today and Friday. Would I like to go? Either go do me here or go somewhere. Just have a nice day and smile. Nick.
On here again.
I'm in here
On here again. On here again.
See Natalie crow back there? Me no hear Dana. Me I try keep me peace. Me no hear Dana. Dakale just come off and who I tell you and me big if you big. Me no mind. The problem person where I give me problem for you is Nicolette. Nicolette, I give me problem.
So Porty saying the cause of the rift with this whole saga is Nicolette, right? And she also said Adana set her up. That she said, not me. People, you can be mad at me for all you want. I don't care. I never said Jack. I am only the undisputed mix-up champion, right? Just listen or go about your business. Don't come here being mad. Anyways, let's go back into what Porty says. Because you're going bad.
Someone I know. If Dana can't tell, say this morning on my phone, say, Nakalet would I like to talk to me in a private. And Nakalet gone call in again. Pan cussing show for me. What is going on? Dana set me up. Me tell her, say, the money come from a unknown source. To let me know how to send it back. She now come up with that. And me I face the blunt. So me want to know what blood clot go on. Don't make me head take me now. Then just don't make me head take me. Should just depart. Nobody can tell me. Take me. Me I try to be respectable. And I try to deal with this guy. It's a mistake that for me, It's a plank of this, Pilot want to talk, who that want call me and talk to me. Right. Now Nicolette gone back. Same thing again. Dana does not address it. Why? Because Dana does not address it at all. So me I wonder now if it's a setup. Because the money can't go back. And my name have been tarnished when me could have come out and drop myself and go along with self. I am trying to be that person.
Want to hear? And I support say, I say, not me.
So, this thing need to deal with. Hey, me one can carry burden today and Friday. Would I like to go? Either go do me here or go somewhere. Just have a nice day and smile. Nicolette is stopping me from going. So who no planka, please. Get over here and call Miss Dana for me, please, because she involved in it.
Call Dana.
She have two choices.
Call Dana.
Let me find a way to send back this when we can come on social media, come cuss and go along bad.
Call Dana.
Because I don't want it to reach there.
She don't want to reach there.
If it's going too far, I can only take so much. I have done nothing to this woman, and it's all about the money why this come up now.
She said Dana allegedly set her up, right? With Nicolette. People call Donna. And Porty Police, I want all of you to be present because I'm going to throw something out. I want to see if Oli's going to act accordingly. All right? Let's hope. We will see. I want to see. But call Donna and call Porty people them and call the plank people them. Call everybody. Call every cuff body. And today I won't cast anybody with today. Zero bad words. But Porty I gotta do all of the casting of bad words for me, I think.
If I curly on the corner, if I nobody else on the media can cuss and go along bad, because I don't want it to reach there. And it is going too far. I can only take so much. I have done nothing to this woman, and it's all about the money. Why this come up now?
Sure, if you get out now.
If I curly on the corner,
Sure,
if I nobody else on the corner, what's so special about
Sure,
Nicolette?
if you get out now.
Yeah?
Sure, if you get out. Sure, get
What
out.
you mean what wrong with me now when me see it happen, lady? It's what me see happening. And when me see it happen, nobody now address it. And it get worse, and Nicolette start just for Dana money, and it's Dana friend.
Una hear good?
That is the problem.
Una hear good?
You understand what me I try to say?
Una hear good? Listen
I don't know
good.
why me come out come galang bad. But I disrespectful part on I wait for. What I
Listen.
say? This is not the landlord who don't know this. Landlord not deal with situation now. She cuss and she go on bad. So with this situation, she should have. She cannot deal with it on peace. So there will be no peace.
No peace.
So me have to come out and act like dirty
No
landlord.
peace.
Sell
No
one
peace.
poison, please. Me have to come out and act like
You know what kind of prize Porty I buy? Doing it, my mind gone too far.
the dirty landlord. Why? I do call her. I do talk with her. Her last message is when she can't manage to do it. No, this thing is getting worse. I have feelings. So me would
She
have
a
needed
god
to
of
get
night.
with and done and let me move on. Nicolette is my problem.
Nicolette, why you do
I would
it?
like to move on. I do talk. You know, want me go back up and play all life I smoke them. Me don't need
Nicolette.
to.
It's Nicolette.
I
It's a problem.
do talk. It's getting
True,
too
Dana.
much. She just get off the phone. She just get off the phone. What do I do to her? It's all.
Big up yourself, Tina Chimney. After pause, big up yourself, Tina Chin, girl. Thank you for the stars to the girl. I got girl, you make them mad out last night. Jesus Christ. But anyway, I could go back to the conversation because 40 hour get out pan everybody.
About this money. You understand what I'm saying? It's all about the money. So if it's the money is the problem, we get rid of the money and move on. We can get one pack of poison, please. $3,000 then.
I Porty said, what kind of pies Porty I buy?
Me don't want to sit down, so today on Friday, me should have be a road and enjoy myself. I shake up my old body and drink two rum and party. Me have to dep on live and deal with foolishness where happen for days. Just make we sort it out and done. That's what I am asking for. Sort it out and done. Because now if we sort it out and she come out back with me name, then me go and have to come fear. And then we will reach somewhere.
But I'm not Porty.
Don't cuss me again. Because I don't have her friend money. And it's the money she come out and cuss for. So it's two things and her friend shut her mouth. When I spoke with her, I do not listen. I'm not sure. And Nicolette said, and Nicolette said, and Nicolette said, and Nicolette said, but she's doing the same damn thing. Am I a sticker stone? What the frig is going on?
You ready for going out now? It's a build up. It's a build up. It's a build up. Wait. I want build up.
Comment section. One more comment like that, me I'll turn it off.
Here? Here?
I try to make you so black.
What?
Tell me about who for birthday weekend.
Yeah. Oh, Dana birthday.
No, but the way you talk.
One line there. Oh, she got vexed. She got mad because they was talk about Dana birthday weekend. Cause Dana birthday I went tomorrow. Oh, God, 10 to. I'm telling you, I'm not cuss about it. I'm not cuss about it. I'm not cuss about it. I'm not. Sorry. sad.
What you tell me about who for birthday weekend? Who for birthday
Like
weekend?
and share.
But the way you talk to me now is like say I'm my birthday, say somebody we are there weekend, or me. You know say it to me like you talk to somebody. You talk to me like you talk to God. Satan, something.
Hey, on the airport about not a birthday weekend. Well,